Okay, students, you have doubts about the physics record, how to maintain this record, and in which brand you have to purchase the record. There are so many doubts, and you are asking the staffs to our faculty members. So this is a small video how to maintain your record and where you have to purchase the records and what to write in the records. We want to clear the doubts you have about your physics record. So first of all, you go for the company records like Oxford, Classmate. These are the records available in your market, and you can go for this. And the page having 96 or more than that. Don't go below 96 pages, less than 96 pages. Okay? Go for more than 96 pages of any company like your Oxford or Classmate, which are available in the market. The next thing is that you should ask for physics practical record. When you go for physics practical record, you will get a record like this. You will get a record like this. This is a different brand, but you will go for, you can take this type of record in which the content which is blank, which may be blank on that case, you will find the contents, then some table, log table, all these things, 3 to 4 pages. Then after that, you will get one side is rolled, the other side is white. So plain side and rolled side. This type of record is used in our physics practical. Clear? So this is a different brand. You will not get this type of brand in market. This is only for Saraswati Vidya Mandir students, and it is provided in our college, but because of Corona, we are not able to provide this record to you, so you purchase from the market of any brand. Now, next we will go for the important thing is that how to maintain the record, how to write the maintain the record. The first point is that the record should be, your record should be neat and clean without any cuttings or overwritings. Try to minimize as much as you can. Don't make any overwriting or cutting like that. Then, when you maintain the record, in general, what you will do, there is the roll side. On the rolling side, you write the subject matter in the sense, the aim of the experiment, apparatus required, theory, procedure, right? Observation, calculation, result, all these things should be written on the rolling side. And on white side, you do only the circuit diagrams, or like you can go for the ray diagrams. You can go for the ray diagrams, this type of graphs, or the figures like this, the figures, ray diagrams, all these things on the white side. Clear? On white paper side, you have to draw the figures, that the circuit diagram, ray diagram, all these things. Don't write any parts like your calculation, aim, apparatus required, observation. Nothing should be written on the white side. They should be written on the rolling side. Clear? Next on we will go for the headings are written like this. You write the heading at the top for each experiment, and the heading is not given to you in the PDF file. In the PDF file it is not given to you. Now you can write the headings and I am discussing about the heading slide. Now you take your pen and paper and write that what the headings you will give for different experiment. The experiment number 1 in the PDF you will find that it is written in the top experiment number 1. So where there is experiment number 1 is written, you don't write that experiment number 1. You will put that experiment number on the side where it is given, that is experiment number 1. But in the heading, what now I will give you, that heading you should write on that top. Clear? So let me give the names, what you will write. First, experiment number 1, you write the name is Ohm's law, right? Then, experiment number 2, resistivity by meter bridge. Resistivity by meter bridge. Number 3, series combination of resistances. Number 4, parallel combination of resistances. Experiment number 5, comparison of EMF. Number 6, experiment number 6, internal resistance of a cell. Experiment number 7, focal length of concave mirror. Experiment number 8, focal length of convex mirror. Clear? Again, experiment number 7, focal length of concave mirror. Experiment number 8, focal length of convex mirror. Experiment number 9, focal length of convex lens. Experiment number 10, prism. Experiment number 11, PN junction diode. Experiment number 12, Zener diode. Clear? You will put the name and you will write these names in the top like that. Now you see I am giving you a demo record like that. You see here. This is the experiment. First you put the name at the top. Then you start writing. What is given in the PDF, you write from that PDF, see the PDF and write what is given or provided to you in the PDF. So you go one by one. See here, it is written aim of the experiment, then apparatus, then theory, then procedure. Clear? Then, as in this case, no diagram is required here, so this space is blank. Don't write anything on this part. Then half of the portion of the procedure comes to here, so here start writing from this page only. Then observation, and this observation has a table. So draw this table, and how many observations are there? Accordingly, he has taken the observations, and this is also provided to you. And you write these observations on the table also. Then, as this is a graph, and he explained that graph part, it is there in your PDF. So if it is in the PDF, then you write that graph. Then result, then precautions. At the last, you put your name, +2 second year science, and your group. Right? Name, +2 second year science, and group. Okay? So you can write this, and this is your section, or you group or section. Clear? So you write this much in the record. Clear? Now, after doing all these things, you see again I am showing you the records. I think it is all about how to maintain the records like this. Now you see here, this student has maintained the record like this for a combination of resistors in series. I told that you will give a heading like in your meter bridge, right? This is the experiment number 3 like that. He has written like this. Then there is a diagram, so he maintained the diagram on the white side. Then tabulation, he put the values, it is given to you. You can write also here the tabulation. Then calculation, then result, then the precautions. But here he make a mistake. What is that mistake? He does not write here name or signature. We can say that signature, roll number, all these things are not written here. So at end you write this thing here. Next, then you will put the signature. When you come to the college, you will put the signature. Next, this experiment number should be here at the left side. So if you go for the records, in different records the experiment number is given on this side or this side. You write that experiment number. Then there is also a part is that date. So don't put that date, keep that date blank. Keep that date blank. When you come to the college, we will give you the dates and you will put that dates. So now you don't put any date over here. Keep that blank. Clear? Okay. So this is the way in which we will go for the maintaining this